Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Ricky with TechBot Solutions. Hope that you guys are all having a great start to your Tuesday. Want to show you guys exactly what it is that I have going on today. What the heck? My little OBS thing might be a little bit... Okay, there we go. Here we go. So I'm trading ticker symbol UGAS. I have been trading it since Oh, shoot. I'm going to have to call them back. Okay. Sorry about that. I don't know who that is, but... wow, that's a great way to start the live stream. Bad timing. But yeah, let me go ahead and show you kind of like where it is that I am as of right now. If you guys follow me on Instagram, the link is down below, or search up my name, Ricky Gutierrez. I only have one Instagram account. I have a little bit over 80,000 followers. And natural gas has been showing signs of an uptrend. Is this a surprise? Here, let me show you my overall. As of right now, I'm just a little bit over $2,000 up on the day. This is what I want to talk about. I made this video yesterday, right? Talking about like natural gas being extremely oversold. It's still sold off another like 5 or 10% throughout the day. And people did an absolute amazing job just killing it with ticker symbol DGAS. Now it just came to the understanding that like during pre-market hour, during extended hours after the market closed, I sent out this message. If you're part of Learn Plan Profit, which is the first link in the description, that's our private group that gets to watch me trade live every single morning. I just closed out my live stream with them. I went live for about 40 minutes and they get to see me enter and exit my positions. I talked about natural gas. So this was at 11:36 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. I talked about natural gas trading in between the middle and top VWAP during extended hours. So during aftermarket hours, this is pretty much the future and how it was trading. The really cool thing about this was the first time that natural gas was showing signs of an uptrend, like as it began since its sell-off last week. So natural gas has been selling off for the past couple of days. That means that it was in favor of ticker symbol DGAS. It was consolidating for some time, and all week last week it was pretty much just DGAS time, right? It showed a very aggressive uptrend pattern. The thing that we need to understand is that, again, it's still the season for natural gas, and on top of that, DGAS is a very aggressive descending ETF. So my success rate is actually much greater on UGAS than it is on DGAS. Don't know how you guys relate to that, but that's something that I think after talking to the Learn Plan Profit group, something that they could relate with as well. During my live stream with the Learn Plan Profit group, some of them were asking, why did I not lock in profits? I was up over $3,000 on the day when it hit highs of about $86. And the thing that I talked about was like just how it performed yesterday and the past couple of days for ticker symbol DGAS. And again, this is my opinion, my preference. You don't have to follow it, but UGAS was aggressively selling off, right? So when it came down to the pattern on DGAS was aggressively pushing up, and it just continued to make higher highs throughout the day, and it experienced pullbacks along the way. Same thing when it comes down to, I think, the overall pattern and direction of ticker symbol UGAS. UGAS as of right now has been absolutely killing it, and looking at the overall future of /NG and how it's been trading on the 1-day 1-minute chart, it has not broken its pattern. It's still above the middle and top VWAP, right? It's still trading in between that, and it's still holding above this SMA line. It's still showing signs of it being bullish. Is it pulling back? Yes, of course. Can we, if you don't feel comfortable, then guess what? You can lock in profits. But with what I have going on today, so for those that saw the video of like what happened with the GTR and the different tasks that I need to complete today, I'm not going to be actively being able to day trade. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up my OCO bracket, meaning that I'm going to set up a limit order to sell and a stop loss to cut losses on, or to lock in profits. But altogether, I feel comfortable with how aggressive natural gas has been pushing up, that I'm okay with the risk/reward that I can put myself through. And that's really just it. It's the position that I'm in that I'm comfortable with. Again, I'm up right now a decent amount that I'm okay with maybe giving back a little bit for the potential to make that much more. And that's, again, the pattern is there that I first saw value in, that we talked about during extended hours. I didn't go to sleep until 2 o'clock in the morning. And I woke up at 4:45 a.m. And I've been working with the TechBot Solutions group and the Learn Plan Profit group ever since. So again, we're just trying to have fun with what it is that we do. Let me go back to the Learn Plan Profit group under Trade Ideas. So this was around 1:16 a.m. I talked about the NASDAQ ETF /NQ selling off pretty aggressively, and just giving you guys a heads up that, again, there's no like predicting like reversals or anything like that. That's besides the point. The whole thing is just, again, we have access to these futures and to see how they're trading during aftermarket hours, right? During when the stock market or even the ETFs are no longer open. So the really cool thing about that is that if we dedicate time to understand the directions that those are headed, it can give us a leg up to understand what might be trending up or down throughout the day based on our technical analysis and what we make of it, right? So as of right now, /NQ still trading between the middle and top VWAP, just like we talked about in the Learn Plan Profit Group. /GC showing signs of it getting rejected around that SMA line, still trading between the middle and bottom VWAP, so showing signs of a downtrend pattern. And /CL still showing signs of a sell-off, meaning that it's in favor of its inverse ETF. So again, just trying to have fun with it, just trying to keep it simple, and of course, locking in profit. So I really do appreciate your guys' time. I want to see if you guys have any comments or anything like that. But /NG is not an ETF. That is correct. /NG is a future. But yeah, I want to thank you guys again for your time. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I kept it simple and made this quick enough for you to understand why I took my position, what built my confidence. Again, confidence is a huge part when it comes down to trading. If you're trading with too much money, again, you're going to always be on edge and you're not going to be as confident as you could be. Take a step back, realize that, again, you're investing for the future, not for today. So don't discourage yourself to invest with your entire account value when you know that you're just not there as a trader. If you would like to work with me on a closer basis and, ask me questions every single day and watch me trade live every single day and learn everything that I know about the stock market, be sure to dedicate some time. Click that first link in the description, and I would love the opportunity to work with you. I hope I earned your thumbs up. I hope that you guys can subscribe, but most importantly, I hope that you guys end the week on a green note. Take it easy, team.